Hey guys, Noah here, again you Destiny Traders. Today I want to talk with you about Facebook stock, alright? Or present a review regarding Facebook stock because we bought it and put it under the scope and it's now one of our stock in our portfolio for the long term. So stay with us so you won't miss the review on Facebook stock.
So hello guys and welcome back to the traders. My name is Or and today I'm gonna do a short review, a short video about Facebook. A lot of people ask me, send me some messages in the emails if I can do a review, if I can review Facebook, because it's a hot topic right now. So I'll do a short video about it and I hope you will enjoy this video. So you can see I have two charts over here. One is the weekly on the right hand side and one is the daily on the left hand side. So Facebook just made, let's say over here it was 217 bucks for a share, and it's really collapsed until 130. And since then, since January this year, it just made a turnaround to the upside. You can see it really made a nice trend from 130 to right now approximately 200. So we have as you can see, we have a really big support over resistance over here. We have this time that it tried and failed, and this time it tried to break the 200 and failed. And now it also made a big effort to move from 172, which is in this area, to the 200. So for now, below 200, I personally wouldn't do anything, and in my opinion, in my setup, that if it can break the 200, this level of 200, which is also a round number, which we know that it has a big support around round numbers. So if it can break the 200 with a volume, then I probably will enter this position. But below 200, below the 200 for dollar for a share, in my opinion, it's a no man's land. So we cannot know what is the direction of the stocks, because it's also made a big spend a lot of energy for a bounce from 170 to this level of the 200, and it also has a big support, a big resistance over here. So in my opinion, I won't enter any of this position unless, of course, that's what I said in the beginning, unless we can break out this 200 symbol. You can see the line over here. If we can break out this 200 symbol of a share, then with the volume, of course, then I will enter this position. But below the 200, in my opinion, it's just hard to know where this stock is going to go. So if it can break out with a volume, the round number of 200, which is also the resistance that it made round here 2 months ago. So if we can break out these levels, then for sure I will enter this position. But for now, my opinion and my humble opinion, that we cannot know what is the direction right now, and only a breakout with a volume of the 200 bucks a share, then it's a symbol to continue the trend to the upward and maybe test the level of the high of the 220s. But for now, it really spent a lot of energy to climb from 170 to 196, which is the current levels. So we might see in the short term pull back to the 189, 187 maybe, and then it can consolidate. But if we can break after consolidation, after a pullback, we can break the 200 price, the 200 bucks a share, then I will be on this position. You can see how I trade. I will put myself an alert right here around above 250 cents. It might start the moving to the highs of 220. So this is also how I can remind myself where it's going, when we can find it in the near future. So for me, above 200 is the signal to buy Facebook. Below 200 it's a no man's land, and we can really don't know what is the direction in the near future. So 200, this is the symbol, and also you can use it and remind yourself that above 200 with the volume we can really test the highs of the Facebook, let's say August last year. So for now it's a no man's land, but if it take out the 200 signal with the volume, then we can find ourselves in a better position in the 220. So this is my signal. This is my signal of Facebook, and of course below that it's just how to trade, how to know what it's going to do. So hope you like this movie, this explanation about how I approach the market, how I approach Facebook and all others stocks that I'm watching. I'm just letting the signals come to me. I don't chase it, I don't trade it without a plan. And this is my plan for Facebook, and of course you have a lot of other stocks that you can trade. So this is Facebook. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please subscribe to our channel, please like us, please tell your friend, and we have all other free content that we provide.